students, I am Ranjit Kaur from ABS Engineering College, Ghaziabad. I am going to discuss Unit 5, that is Vector Calculus, one of the unit in Engineering Mathematics 1. These are the contents of my videos, which will be covered in further. First is basic concepts and properties of vectors. In this video, it is the review video in which we are going to discuss position vector, dot product, scalar product, angle between two vectors. Just review the concepts you have covered in +1 and +2. Then the second video is related to gradient of scalar field. Then the third video is related to divergence and curl of vector field. And the fourth covers the directional derivative. The first three videos are related to vector differentiation, how they are differentiated, and how the gradient of scalar field gives us the normal vector to a given surface, how the divergence and what they interpret, and the directional derivative, that is derivative of a vector function in a particular direction. So these are the four topics covered in vector differentiation. Now the rest of the videos are related to vector integration. So line integral, how a vector function is evaluated along a curve. Then surface integrals, how vector functions are evaluated over the surfaces. Then there are the three basic theorems and important theorems, which are relation between line and surface integral, Green's theorem, which converts a line integral into surface integral, and the Gauss divergence theorem, which converts a double integral or surface integral into volume integral, and third is the Stokes theorem, and that converts again a line integral into surface integral to evaluate. So using these theorems and their results, the integral become easier to solve. Thank you.